And now for the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Day 67, a Russian soldier who appears to be in a leadership position, possibly a captain, was caught on camera shouting at his soldiers who was... The video was reportedly taken in the Kharkiv region. The man is shouting, "No more words," Russia warned. It is believed that this warning is in relation to the upcoming withdrawal of Russian troops from the Kharkiv region. There are reports that the Russian army is preparing to leave the area, and that they are doing so in a very unprofessional manner, leaving their positions and equipment behind. It is unclear why the soldier was so angry, but it is possible that he was under immense pressure to perform, or maybe he just had a bad morning. Either way, this video is a reminder of the toll that this war is taking on everyone involved. As always, I would love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments below. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.